funny. Can you help him down that little step, Steve? Oh, excuse me. Never mind. Just help with the rug.
You stay behind it, buddy. It's okay.
You wanna? He might want you to come in front of him. I don't know. Never mind.
Well, let's try and play with the electrical outlets.
All right.
Go back to your little gator mower. You stand up. Good job. Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah. It's good practice, Tyler.
Good job. Good job, big boy. You're gonna be 1 tomorrow. Pretty excited. Whoop!
You gotta push hard to get over the bump. Push. You gotta push.